Attorneys owe their clients a duty to represent them competently and diligently. Failure to do so can cause a client irreparable harm, as in Dahl versus Dahl. Charles and Kim Dahl were married for 18 years and had 2 children. Kim was the children's primary caregiver and didn't work outside the home during the marriage. In 2006, Charles filed for divorce. The divorce case was contentious and dragged on for several years. The trial court described the discovery and pretrial proceedings as a train wreck with abuses on both sides. Kim requested temporary and permanent alimony. Both Charles and Kim requested sole custody of the children. Throughout pretrial proceedings, Kim's attorney, Steve Christensen, failed to comply with basic procedural rules. Although the trial court told Christensen exactly what information to provide, he never submitted documentation sufficient to verify Kim's expenses or financial need. Consequently, the trial court was unable to grant Kim temporary or permanent alimony. The trial court ordered each party to disclose a list of exhibits and witnesses before trial to give both sides fair notice of what to prepare for. Christensen's first lists were overbroad and didn't adequately identify particular exhibits or witnesses. The trial court struck these lists and ordered Christensen to submit new ones, but his second attempt wasn't much better. By the time of trial, Christensen still hadn't provided an acceptable exhibit or witness list. Consequently, the trial court excluded most of Kim's proffered exhibits. Finally, Kim offered the testimony of 2 expert witnesses to support her custody claim. Christensen failed to submit expert witness reports that complied with Utah's civil procedure rules. The trial court therefore allowed Kim's experts to testify, but restricted their testimony to the limited information contained in the inadequate reports that had been filed. Ultimately, the trial court denied Kim's request for custody and ordered full custody to Charles. Kim appealed to the Utah Court of Appeals. She argued that the trial court abused its discretion in denying her alimony requests and limiting her exhibits and expert testimony at trial. The Court of Appeals referred the case to the Utah Supreme Court.